want to drink it.
Alright.
Babe, why are you wiping the straw off?
I don't want to drink from your mouth.
Why? You kiss me.
Babe, I don't want any kiss. I don't want any kiss.
You kiss me all the time, and now you're.
Appreciate that I don't want to drink from your mouth, honey.
You kiss me every day.
So what? So what? What? What if I wipe?
So
the
why
straw
are you
off?
wiping the straw off?
Because I don't want to kiss it.
Babe,
I don't.
what is wrong with you? Why you
wanna-
drink off me all the time?
No, I don't want to drink from your straw.
Babe, stop. Why don't you want to drink from my straw? What do you think, I got the cooties or something? What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
I don't want to drink from your straw, babe. Why? You can't appreciate.
I drink from your straw all the time, so what's the
I smell your mouth
difference?
today. I did it, and
What?
it's not smelling great.
I brush my teeth and I use mouthwash, so and I'm
What?
drinking that. That smells good. So what are you talking about? You are such a liar. Let me see. That don't stink. What are you doing?
Smell it again, because it seems like your nose is not smelling properly.
It does nothing on it. It smells like coffee.
Really? Really? It's not smelling good, honey.
Babe.
Drink your juice, man. You know, wow.
No, I want you to drink it without wiping. I can't believe you.